I'm going to be reviewing this Smart Frog portable humidifier. So it's super simple and very portable. Basically, on the inside cover, it's got some instructions. Yeah, they're in Chinese, but there's some paper instructions that are translated to English. It says, put the water bottle on, flip it over, make sure that there's no leaks, and then watch for the mist coming out of here. And there's some cautions that I can't understand. So here it is. It's running. It's very quiet, and I find it very unobtrusive. So let's see if I can see. Yeah, there you go. You can see the mist coming out. There's the off switch on the back. On. Ta-da! It's simple, it's easy to use. This is just an old Coke bottle, so I mean it has an adapter that you can use with any bottle. I think that both the quiet and how portable it is makes it great for a lot of scenarios, and I really hope you enjoy this portable humidifier.